Hi friends, it's Jenessa, your unique presenter. And of course, because there's a holiday coming up, I had to create a beautiful look for you to rock. Because I'm all about all the holidays.
Holidays for life.
When you think of St. Patrick's Day, you think of like leprechauns and four-leaf clovers. And I could have done a full four-leaf clover on this face. But that's not realistic. So I decided to play with the colors. Obviously the greens and the golds. Although this green is freaking gorgeous, my favorite part of this look is the under eye. I did a dark coppery gold and then a bright shimmery gold. And I love that I could play with both golds and they both are super pigmented, super beautiful. I'm obsessed. For this month of March 2018, you can build a palette just like this or add in a different color. Completely do a different look. But for this month, you can create a gorgeous palette of your choosing and pick any 4 shades out of 33 gorgeous, highly pigmented shadows, plus our epic mascara, and then on top of that, 22 different liquid lipsticks that would fit your mood. So you guys, this month is all about you. But if you want to see how I got this specific St. Patrick's Day look, just keep watching. Alrighty then, let's get started. I am pulling my hair back just on that one side. Then I'm applying the Mood Struck Eye Primer, as always, and applying that just to my lids. Then I'm taking the shade Timid, which is a matte nude shade. I'm going to be applying this with Younique's blending brush, and we are applying this directly in our crease and blending back and forth with windshield wiper motions. Next, taking the shade Inconceivable, which is a emerald shimmer. We are applying this with the cream shadow brush, and we are going to just be packing this on our lid. It's going to be a very simple, easy look, and it's just going to take a lot of blending. I'm also carving out where this shade will meet with the crease shade, and then I'm taking the end of that brush and kind of creating an winged out part of it. Not super intense, just lightly to give it a little emphasis. Now we have that green shade laid down. I'm going to go back in with the Timid shade and our blending brush and blend the two together so there's not any harsh lines. Then we're going back in with the cream shadow brush with the green shade already applied on the bristles, and then taking Younique's rose water and spritzing that. And then I'm only applying it on the inner corner part of my eyelid. I just want that inner part to be the brightest. Then taking black liquid liner, I am not doing a full-on wing. I am just taking this liquid and running it across my lash line. Then taking the same shade but in pencil form, I am putting this on my waterline to kind of create a more smoky lower lash line. Going in with Younique's liner shader brush and taking the liner side, I am dipping into the shade Fanatical, which is a metallic gold. And I'm running that on our lower lash line. And then we're going to go in with the shader side of the brush and kind of intensify that shade. Then taking Alive, which is a bright gold shimmer, and we are putting this on our inner corner. I'm applying this, a good amount of this, to really brighten up the eye look. Then completing the eye look with epic mascara, and it is epic. I'm curling my lashes and then applying 2 or 3 coats of this mascara. Once I finish with mascara, I'm going in with Younique's Sculpting Trio in the shade Light and taking the contour shade, and I'm going to contour with Younique's contour brush. Now let's see how many times I can say the word contour. I'm going in my cheekbones, carving out my cheekbones, carving out my forehead, and carving out the sides of my nose, and then my jawline. Going in with Studio Makeup Luminous Blush, I'm just applying this to the apples of the cheeks and blending back. Then for my highlighter, I am taking Younique's Lustrous highlighter in the stick and applying this down to the bridge of my nose, the top of my cheeks, and on my Cupid's bow. Then to finish off the look, I'm taking Superior liquid lipstick and I'm applying this obviously to my lips. And that completes this look. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.